Hi friends, this is Sri Rekha. As part of my NET 701 course, today I am doing this video on NetApp snapshot technology which is used to protect your data. Firstly, have a look on what is snapshot technology in NetApp. NetApp snapshot technology is used to protect your data and backup your files in case of any file corruption and file deletion by mistake. The main key points in the snapshot technology concept are: you can make instant copies even if your applications are running. For any size of volume, you can create snapshot copies within fraction of seconds. And per each volume, you can make up to 255 snapshot copies for online backup and recovery. The main objective of this task is how to create a snapshot copy by using NetApp System Manager, restoring a Windows file from a snapshot copy, managing a snapshot copies by using NetApp System Manager, and restoring a file by using the Windows previous version tool. So in this task, we are going to use NetApp System Manager and the command line interface to create and manage snapshot copies. So for that, just open your NetApp Command Manager. Once you open your NetApp on-command System Manager, under the storage, select volumes. In this volumes page, select one of your volumes to which you want to create snapshot copies. Then go to snapshot copies button here, open the drop down menu. In this, click on create to create new snapshot copy. Here you can name it for your snapshot copy. I am giving snap A. Once you name it, just click on create. To see the newly created snapshot copy, under the skin just click on the snapshot copies tab. Here you can able to see the newly created snapshot copy. This one is my newly created snapshot copy snap A. To create snapshot copy by using PuTTY command line interface, open your PuTTY. First give the following command to see the options in your volume 0, vol space, options space, vol 0. Make sure that your create underscore ucode and convert underscore ucode should be non mode. Then give the following command to create snapshot, snap space, create space, vol 0 space, snap A, click on enter. Then to see the newly created snap A, go to Windows button and right click on it. Open the run. Here give the path of your data storage. Then click on OK. Here you can able to see the snapshot folder. To see the functionality of snapshot, I am going to delete one of the text file here. Test file for snap A, delete it. Are you sure you want to permanently delete? Click on S. If you are unable to see the snapshot folder there, just give the following command in PuTTY command line interface. Options space sifs.show underscore snapshot space on. Then click on enter. Then again go back to your data storage path. Here click on OK. Enter into the snapshot folder. Here you can able to see the snap A folder which you created earlier. Enter into this. Again open the etc. Here you can find the file which you deleted earlier. Copy it to store into your original location. Go to your original location from where you deleted before. You can paste it here. In this way you can back up your file which are deleted by mistake or the files which are corrupted. You can get back by using this technology. To configure and manage the snapshot copies, again enter into the volumes in NetApp on-command System Manager. Select one of your volume. This time in the snapshot copies drop down list, click on configure. Here you can find the schedule. You can give the schedule for snapshot copies. So according to the schedule, snapshot technology will take the snapshot copies of your volume. Then click on OK. You can also change the reserve percentage of snapshot copies in the volume. For that, again go to snapshot copies drop down list and click on configure. Here you can see snapshot reserve percentage box here. By using this up arrow and down arrow, you can increase the volume space reserved for the snapshot copies. Then click on OK. To see the space allocation for snapshot copies, come below of the screen and click on space allocation tab. Here you can see the total available volume space. You can see the total capacity of volume, what is the available space for snapshot reservation, and what is the used space for snapshot copies. So next, to check the Windows Restore Previous Version tool, you are going to create one text file by using PuTTY command line interface. So to create new text file, just follow this command wr file space /vol/vol0 by your text file name .txt and enter the text. This is my text file. Then enter it. To stop the process, click the Ctrl C. Give the following command to see the snapshot list in volume 0, snap space list space vol 0. Here you can find the snapshot copies list in this volume. To create one more snapshot copy, give the following command here, snap space create space vol 0 space snap 2. Click on enter. Here showing my snapshot is already exist. Okay, to read the text file, give the following command rd file space /vol/vol0 by your text file.txt. Then you can read your text file which you entered earlier. To see the functionality of Windows Restore Previous Version tool, overwrite the text file which you created. Further, just follow this command to overwrite the previous one. wr file space -a space /vol/volume0 / your text file.txt space in inverted commas. Enter the text with which you want to overwrite the previous one. Just click enter. Give the read command to read the overwritten text. This time you can see the overwritten text here. Okay, to check this text file in your folder, again go to your data storage path. Here you can able to see the text file which you created now. If you open it, you can see the overwritten text. To get back your previous one, just right click on your text file, click on properties. In this properties dialog box, just press on previous versions tab. Here you can see the number of previous versions. To see the previous version text, open